is film on how to. Let me talk about the absolute profits of the easy commission of the internet marketing. Let's see the video first, then we can discuss about the internet marketing.
We know how difficult it is to get your internet business off the ground. How overwhelming it can be if you have no experience creating websites, email sequences, bonus pages, or sales funnels. And on top of this, we need traffic, right? Without visitors, there would be no conversions. It appears to be nearly impossible to get sales with the old traffic tactics. How to drive targeted traffic to any offer. In the end, this is why 95% of newcomers give up before they ever begin. Well, here's why I'm so excited to provide a solution inside this method to minimize your efforts and discover how to dominate the game. Introducing